Let me show you how I made my goat meat egusi soup and bokoto egusi soup. I actually joined them together. This is the goat meat I'm trying to prepare. I've already made the bokoto. That's the goat leg, the cow leg. Sorry, and I have it in the freezer. So I'll be joining the two. Here I've washed the goat meat. I was seasoning it. I want to marinate it. I like to add rosemary, thyme, curry, maggi, onion, just to keep everything the way it should, including ginger and garlic, of course. Yeah. So here I was just trying to mix everything and make sure everything is properly cooked. Checked again and I saw that it is fed, and so I had to take it off the stove and drain the water. And since I said I'll be adding two meat, the goat meat and the cow leg, I need to sort it. So I need to select some. I will not be using everything. So I was draining the stock, the meat stock. No, normally now it will have some sediment you get, so need to remove them. And here is my pot on the fire. I need to heat the palm oil. You get need to heat the palm oil, and maybe after some minutes you just need to reduce the light, the fire, so that the smoke would reduce. Yeah, that's what I normally do anyway. So I added some onion, added iru. Iru is just a spice that we use in Nigeria to spice our food, and it gives it that local, I mean the Nigerian, the native flavor. Do you get? So after which I mixed my egusi. The egusi is right here. I needed to add some water to mix. Then after I would be putting them bits by bit into the palm oil, to just have it will just give it this, or how do I call it? I don't know how to describe it now. It will just be like in solid form if you are putting it in bits like this. And take note, you need to reduce your light, I mean the fire from your stove, so that it will not burn. So after doing all this, it will take a while. Or if you are doing this, especially in large scale, you get it will take a while. After which, I know usually what I do is I rinse the plastic. Anytime I rinse it, I do that. I rinse the plastic and pour the water. And here I brought out my cow leg from the freezer because I had it before, and some intestine. So I needed to sort it. I needed to, pick the ones I'll be chopping, because I like to chop them into. It is even best to chop them so that it will not be too big, 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 big. All of them will not be too big like that. You get. So I picked them out and chopped them. When I was trying to, pick them out to chop, our almighty people, they took the light. So you'll see that later, Sha. Anyway, so I went back to the pepper on the fire, the palm oil and egusi. It was already cooked. I added some pepper and I added my stock. You can see it here. Even like this, you can eat it. It is well cooked and it looks so yummy. It looks fine. It looks well prepared. So you can actually eat it like this if you don't want to add other things like vegetables and maybe some fish or meat if you like. Or so it's depending on your preference. So right here I was already chopping. I've chopped some of them, of the meat. So right here there is no light. You can see the color is different. So right here there's no light. So anyways, yeah, I've done what I had to do. I've added the vegetable then, because holding everything together, it was a big deal though. So I've added the meat, I've added the vegetables. My vegetables were just ugu leaf and water leaf. I like to mix them together anyway. And because water leaf is so nutritious, ugu is so nutritious, you can actually add them together. No big deal. And here is our egusi elemi mije. Do you know elemi mije? What it means? It means 7 lives. Look at how yummy this is. This is so yummy. This is so good. And I'll be eating this with Semo, which I've done. You can eat yours with different type of swallows like semo, pounded yam, amala, or even rice, depending on your choice. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give us a like and subscribe to follow for more lifestyle content and recipe from Aurix Lifestyle. Bye for now.